Attic renovation ideas. Often overlooked, your attic has the potential to be more than just a place for storing Christmas decorations. If you're not using your attic for anything other than storage, you're wasting perfectly good living space. Many attics have plenty of room to accommodate a family's needs. What distracts people from utilizing it is the absence of finished walls and a solid floor. The addition or conversion of a room can seem daunting. After all, not every homeowner possesses the carpentry skills needed for such a conversion. But, with the right information and contractor, an attic renovation can add usable space and value to your home. Attic renovation ideas. An attic renovation can give you the ability to create a variety of different spaces for your family to utilize. Consider transforming your attic into a master suite, small apartment, office space, play area, game room, safe room, art studio, home theater, in-law suite, or guest room. No matter what you decide to transform your space into, an attic renovation is sure to bring value to your home and life for years to come. Need more help? Call us at 972-299-8929.